Hey there, Jimmy. Jose here from SEO Monster Design, and today I'm going to give you 3 tips that can help you increase your online revenue using your website. So let's not waste too much of your time or mine, and let's get to it. So first of all, I did pull up your website and a couple of your top competitors in Amarillo, and I want to say that your website looks great. So kudos to you guys on your website. But I do want to say that the first tip is content. Um, Keep in mind that to Google, content is king. The more content you have, the more you look like the expert in the matter, and the more favor you get in Google's eyes. By content, I mean the words and the pictures that you use. So the more words you use, the better. You want to have about 1,000 to 1,500 words on your front page. 2 reasons. Number one, of course, content is king, like we said, the more the better. And number two, because you can fit in more keywords that people are searching for on Google and spread them around your website on the front page there. So uh, that's why it's very important to have more content. And just a quick one, you may want to have a very obvious contact form right here. That way people don't have to search or spend time searching because a lot of people just click out of your website if they can't find a way to contact you quickly. Maybe instead of this contact, maybe put a phone number where they can just click on it, click to call. Um, but those are just pretty quick. But part of that first one, I want to show you here. I put all 3 of your websites. Here's Mitchell Landscaping and the Grounds guys. All 3 of you guys are put on this tool that I have that allows me to look at the back end of your website. So this is what I wanted to show you. You see how Reader Landscape, you're in first position here, and you need to be in positions 1 through 10 to be on the first page of Google. Reader's Landscaping, 4th position. Looks like those are steady. And then you jump up to 13th position, which is the second page. Anything from here on out, you're not being found for. Sprinkler system repair, reader company, reader landscaping, 37th position, you're on the 4th page there. Pools, Amarillo. I think I saw that you guys do pools as well. Pools in Amarillo, Texas, 55. And I don't know how much you're missing out on, but I'm pretty sure pools are pretty expensive. 150 searches a month. Here's 50 searches a month for this word, pools in Amarillo. I haven't looked too much deeper. Pool Amarillo, Texas, 100 searches a month. Now, what's crazy to me is how you're in the 50th position, 70th position for these words, and you've been with them 6 months, yet the keyword difficulty, the KD, which is the competitiveness to get those words, are very low. So I'm pretty confident we can do a lot better than that. But let me give you an example of how your competitors are doing. So these guys are Amarillo Lawn Care, 350 searches a month, 6th position. They're in the front page. Amarillo Lawn Service, 8th position, front page, front page, front page, front page, front page. And these are all the searches: 350 a month, 150 a month, 100 a month. After that, they go to the second page: lawn services, landscaping rates, and so the rest don't matter. So they're not doing much better. So anything you do will be greatly beneficial. But let me show you what it's supposed to look like. So this is my roofing client right here. And keep in mind, these keyword difficulties are double and triple what yours are: 17, 17, 19, 19. So we started in 30th position. Now they're in 10th, 20th to 12th, 26th to 12th, 19th to 14, 30th position to 14, 43rd position. And these are all the important words: roofing contractor, Amarillo roofing companies, roofing contractors. So this is what you want to see: green, 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 just advancing, words advancing. It doesn't look like they were doing that much for you guys. So we can really help because you have a lot of words down here that you could use. You're in the 88th position. For 6 months, you should not be in the 50s and 60s and 70s. That's for sure, especially not with keyword difficulties this low. So that's the first tip, is content. The second tip on how to power these words is backlinks. What a backlink is a link on somebody else's website that points back to yours. So you want your backlinks on powerful websites. That way some of that power gets transferred to your website, bringing these scores up. So this is your front page power, the UR, and this is your overall website power, the DR. As you can see, your Mitchell Landscaping ain't doing too much, but look at Ground Guys. Okay, so they must be like a franchise or something, because they're getting power from somewhere else. So that's how you get power to your website, backlinks. So first tip, content. Second tip, backlinks. The third and last tip I'm going to give you is how to beat them out here on the map pack. And that's through citations. What a citation is anytime you list your business name, phone number, and address on an online directory such as Yelp.com, YellowPages.com, Facebook.com, those are citations. So you want to get the citations that your competitors have, the top ones, and then add some more on top of that. That way you can blow them out of the water. So those are just the quick 3 tips I wanted to share with you before we hopped on the call, just so you can kind of get an idea of what we do and how we do it. I hope this was helpful for you to see what all goes into it. I'll talk to you soon.